Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about geothermal energy. This is R. Chitra Devi, Associate Professor in Chemistry, Sri G.V. Visalakshi College for Women, Udmalpet. Today, we are going to learn about geothermal energy, its technology and environmental hazards. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy means the huge amount of heat energy stored within the earth due to geological activities is the source of geothermal energy. This heat energy can produce a vast amount of hot water vapors or hot water depending on the condition. These vapor and hot water are stored into the pore rock under high pressure within the earth. These geothermal reservoirs are the potential sources of the geothermal energy. The geothermal sources that supply steam at high pressure are called hyperthermal sources, while the sources that supply only hot water are called semi-thermal sources. The hyperthermal sources are produced in the zones where the geological activity is very high. These sources are generally found in the active areas of the seismic zones. On the other hand, the semi-thermal sources are characterized by the low geological activity and these lie outside seismic zone. Sometimes in the absence of the groundwater, the geological activity may simply heat the rock beds. This source produce hot dry rock HDR bed from which the heat energy may be extracted by the HDR technique. If the hot water under pressure comes out through some natural, it will produce hot springs like geysers. And next, let us see what are the environmental hazards from the use of the geothermal energy. First point, withdrawal of steam and hot water from geothermal sources may cause land subsidence. However, to mitigate this problem, water may be re-injected into the geothermal reservoirs. Second point, uplifting of the steam and hot water from the geothermal sources consequently release some amount of hydrogen sulfide into the atmosphere to cause air pollution. Third point, if the hot geothermal water after its use is allowed to mix with the natural aquatic system, then water pollution may occur. The used geothermal water can cause soil erosion, leaching of soil nutrients, etc. However, if the used geothermal water is re-injected into the geothermal system, then the possibility of soil erosion or water pollution is removed. Fourth point, setup for utilization of geothermal energy requires a huge land area for diverse activity. This is a costly practice. However, our conventional power plants also require large area operation. Finally, we can say that the geothermal energy is a more eco-friendly process compared to the conventional use of fossil fuel, that the release of pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide particulates, etc. and the nuclear fuels. But the technology for the utilization of geothermal energy is a costly. In the utilization of the geothermal energy, Iceland and New Zealand have made a significant development.